We are now going to move to part 2 of the test, where you will speak about a single topic. Please read the card I have put in front of you. You have between 1 and 2 minutes to talk about this topic. Before speaking, you have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. Okay, your 1 minute starts now. Okay, you can start speaking now.
Okay, I would like to talk about the K-pop festival that I went to. It was about 5 or 6 years ago. It was my first time here in Korea, and I signed up to a free K-pop concert, and my friends and I went to Incheon to see this K-pop festival, and it was maybe like 10 or 15 groups of K-pop idols who perform, and it's quite interesting because it's my first time going to a K-pop concert. And the funny thing is, because it ended so late, and our dorm was so far away, and I think it ended like at 11 p.m. So we couldn't go back to our dorm because the subway stopped, and we had to stay at some kind of McDonald's until the morning, until the first train.
Would you say other people enjoyed this K-pop festival?
Yeah, I think so because it was a various group of K-pop, so it was like there were Twice and some of other popular groups. So I think everyone enjoyed and everyone was screaming so loudly, including me, I guess. So I think everyone enjoyed the festival as well.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of part 2.